Ever wondered why your internet speed test shows 100 megabytes per second, but still your Netflix buffers? Is your internet service provider scamming you, or is there something they are not telling you? When the internet provider advertises 100 Mbps speed, what they don't tell you is that that's the maximum speed, not the average speed. Think of it like a highway. When it's empty, you can drive at full speed, but during rush hour, traffic slows everyone down. Your internet works the same way. Internet service providers share bandwidth between multiple users, assuming not everyone will be online at the same time. But during peak hours, when everyone is streaming, gaming, or working, your speed drops significantly. Now, even when there is no congestion, you might still experience slow speed. But why? It's because internet service providers prioritize certain traffic over others. For example, have you ever noticed that the speed test websites always show you good results, but your Netflix or downloads still lag? That's because some internet service providers give priority to speed test servers, so it looks like you're getting the full speed even though you're not. And here's another big thing. Some internet service providers use data caps or fair usage policies where after you cross a certain data limit, your speed is deliberately reduced. Even if you have an unlimited plan, there might be hidden limits. Here are three reasons why your internet is always slower than what you pay for. Reason 1: Wi Fi limitations. Wi Fi speeds are always slower than the wired speed. Even if your plan is 1 gigabyte per second, Wi-Fi interference, distance, and other devices reduce it significantly. Reason 2: The website's own limitations. No matter how fast your internet is, if the website server is overloaded, your speed is limited by them, not you. Reason 3: ISP network management. Many internet service providers slow down certain types of traffic, like streaming or gaming, to reduce their cost. This is called throttling. So, how can you improve your internet speed? First, use a wired connection. Ethernet is always faster than Wi Fi. Second, test your speed on different websites. Don't rely on one test, try multiple. Third, use a VPN. Some internet service providers slow down certain sites, and a VPN can help avoid that. Fourth, contact your internet service provider. Sometimes simply reporting slow speeds can lead to a fix. And finally, if your internet is consistently slow, it might be time to switch providers. And if you love tech breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.